In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload files to Claude AI so you can get the most out of your conversations with it, whether you want Claude to analyze a document, summarize a PDF, or look over some code or data. Knowing how to properly upload files will make the whole experience smoother and much more powerful. Let's start with the simplest way to upload using the plus button. When you're in a Claude chat, look toward the bottom of the screen where you normally type your message. In the bottom left corner of that chat box, you'll see a small plus icon. This is your main entry point for attaching files. Go ahead and click that plus button. When you do, your computer's file picker will open, just like when you attach a file to an email. From here, navigate to the folder where your file is stored. You can select one file or hold down your usual multi-select key, like Shift or Control, depending on your operating system, to choose several files at once. Once you've selected what you need, confirm your choice. You'll see those files appear in the chat interface, usually just above the message box, showing that they're ready to be sent along with your prompt. Another very convenient method is drag and drop. If you already have a folder open on your computer, or you can see your files on your desktop, you don't even have to click the plus icon. Simply click on the file you want to upload, hold down your mouse button, and drag the file directly into the Claude chat window. When you're hovering over the chat area, release the mouse button. The file will automatically attach, just like if you had used the plus button. This drag and drop method is especially handy when you're working with several files at once. You can select multiple files from your folder, drag them all together, and drop them into the chat window in a single motion. After dropping them, double check that every file you expected to upload is listed in the chat interface before you send your message. Now, there are a couple of important limits to keep in mind when uploading files to Claude. You can upload up to 20 files in a single chat. This limit helps keep the system stable and responsive. If you have more than 20 files, consider grouping related material into fewer, larger files or focusing on the most relevant ones for your current question. In addition to the number of files, there is also a size limit. Each file can be up to 30 megabytes. If a file is larger than that, you'll need to reduce its size first. For example, you might compress a large PDF, trim extra pages you don't need, or export a lower resolution version of a very large image or slide deck. Keeping your files within that size limit ensures Claude can receive and process them without issues. Once your files are attached, either through the plus button or drag and drop, type your prompt explaining what you want Claude to do with those files. Then send your message. Claude will use the content of the uploaded files to give you a more informed and context-aware response. That's all you need to know to start uploading files to Claude AI efficiently and within the allowed limit.